All right, brand new lake. I have no idea where the fish are. Use my new confidence lure. I think we'll head to whatever this little islandy mabob is. There's lots of like random logs and islands and stuff. Gotta keep an eye out. Not gonna lie, that gives me the heebie-jeebies. All right, it's starting to get pretty rainy out here. I think before I get soaked, put my rain gear on. Damn, that was so much easier when there aren't 50-mile-an-hour winds. We're gonna get those rain pants out, because otherwise we're gonna get goddamn soaked. Woo! Alright, we're just gonna have to tough it out for 1 second. This is great. Nice rainy day on the lake. Doesn't really get much more tranquil than this, is it? Lure to guide this cast. That was sick. I think it's time to try something new. Let's try. I've heard that this is the best lure for topwater. I don't know if it's true or not, but let's find out. Whopper Plopper is, just doesn't feel like it right now. It's just raining a little too hard for me to believe that that'll work. Ooh, that's a heck of a bait. It's a mini chatterbait. Here, let me give you a look at this thing. Just the tiniest little guy. But I've caught fish on it before. And since I'm not catching fish now, we might as well try something new. Oh, that's a nice cast. That felt like a bite. Well, that'll warm me up. Well, that's a hell of a coffee. Give that duck a little space. Shared waters, you know. This. Oh, I'm pumped. This is gonna be sick. I freaking love these. Yeah, that is it. I've been using the wrong color pink this whole time, and I know what you're thinking. It wouldn't make that big of a difference, but I'll prove it to you. It's honestly pretty amazing how much a little cup of coffee warms you right up. I don't know if you ever saw the video before, but at one point I used to bring it with me. I brought it with me a couple times up in the front hatch there. So I got a jet boil to put up in the front of my kayak, and I thought I could just open up a little cafe while I was out fishing and just sail cozily into the winter months. It actually turned out to be insanely sketchy to do while out on the water, and I strongly don't recommend it. Turns out that boiling water right next to your legs in such a confined space isn't a good idea. And though many of you probably figured that out without even trying it, now you know. And I thought that that was the coolest thing ever. Honestly, I still think it's the coolest thing ever. I wish I had it right now. If I did, I'd make myself another coffee drink. But I don't. It was just a little on the sketchy side for me. That made way too much commotion. Okay, so this is funny. This is like the first lure I ever caught a fish on, was this exact thing. Cody let me borrow one. I hooked it up on my my medium light. This is my ultra light that my dad got me for Christmas. Thank you, Dad. We're gonna stand up and catch a fish right here. I caught a fish. Well, I wasn't paying attention. What's up, little buddy? You helped me not get skunked today, and I appreciate that greatly. Can I put my hand in your mouth? Are you a... I don't know what you are. Some sort of... Are you a carp? I think you're a carp. Or whatever they are. I'm gonna look it up. Cool. Well, that was awesome. I didn't get skunked. What a cool ass little fish. Carp. Is that what it is? Oh, it's gonna drive me nuts. It's gonna drive me nuts because I'm probably gonna catch another one of those. I'm guessing, and then I'm gonna keep calling it that. Carp. Not a carp. A carp is one of the big things. Wait, no, that's a... What are the big giant fish that hang out in lakes? I feel like those are carps. Freaking bubblegum trout magnet. My oldest confidence lure. Saved the day. No skunk today. I think it's a carp. I can't remember what the name of those giant scaly fish are that exist in like lakes. They usually just don't want to eat any sort of lures or anything. They typically don't. They eat like bread and stuff, or corn or whatever. What are those? I've only ever just fished for sport, but every once in a while I'll see people go out and do like these like catch and cook videos, and God, they just look so awesome. I think I'd want to make fried fish tacos, and I'm guessing probably out of these panfish, like carp or bluegill. Not carp. What are they? Let's move over here a little bit. We're on another one. Sweet. Sorry, bud, I'm really trying to figure out a way to do this in the safest way possible. Wow. What's up, dude? Crazy. You were the coolest looking fish ever. Alright, back in you go. I thought that was gonna be a bigger fish. Those little guys put up a fight. I keep catching a fish when I'm not paying attention. Okay. Well, I didn't set the hook, so that's understandable. Ooh, that was a splash right in front of me. We're gonna try to catch whatever that was. My best guess is trout. Something's happening down there. Damn, what was that? I don't even know what that was. I think it might have been a little bass. Damn it, I didn't set the hook good enough. Kind of gives off a pea spot vibe. I don't think it is a pea spot though. Is that an old dock? It seems like it floats. It does seem to float. Sweet. Go on. I got you, little buddy. Neat. What's up, bud? Sorry. I got the hook stuck on me. I had to drop you. I can look up what that type of fish is. I hope I've been calling it right this whole time. Right? Is that? No, that's not it. First, crappie. That's what it is. They're crappies I'm catching. Or bluegills, or some sort of panfish. Yeah, I think it's crappie I've been catching. Crappie, what a great name. That's just awesome. Catching some crappie. Honestly, I'll catch crappie all day. They're fun. They're fun little fish to catch. Especially when you've been catching nothing all day. Got another one. Oh. Did not set the hook. This has been the most awesome day, rainy day at the lake ever, must say. I'm just like madly equipped to go fishing in the rain now. No biggie. It's a little chilly, but more than doable. That was fun. Fun rainy day at the lake. We'll do that again.